friend again. This is James Bond speaking from the Kingdom of Cambodia. This afternoon, Sunday, we are doing cleaning up the backyard just behind the house. Follow up what's going to see in this vegetation and overgrown. Don't be scary, okay? See you. Bye bye. Oh my goodness. This is the family of scorpion. Whole family. The king, queen, prime minister, president, minister. Yeah, waiter, waitress, concubine. Look at here. Amazing, my friend. Oh my god. You see this? This is a big one. A great, powerful scorpion. And look at this. This is a baby. You see the baby one? This is a baby one. Baby scorpion. Yeah. Oh, where's daddy? Anybody know where's daddy? Anybody you know where's daddy scorpion? Oh my god. Look at a mommy and a baby. But the daddy has gone. See. Oh, amazing. Incredible life, you know. Oh my god. This is, yeah, it's a black scorpion. Wow, my goodness. Sorry guys, you have to go away from our home, okay?
Oh, I see him. Ooh, scorpion. I'm getting a photo of this thing. The video going right here. Cook? No, thank you. Found a big old scorpion.
Oh my god, look. This is the home. This is a baby scorpion. Look. Look.
Yep. There's another one. There's another baby.
Whoa. 1, 2, here, 2, 3, 3. Work is done, cleaning up is finished, missionary completely done in 1 week. Now all the scorpions, millipede, centipede, and other kind of insect, including caterpillar, being released back into their territory safely, respect life and love. Go away. Go back to your home, my friends. Sorry, we're not disturbing you anymore. You go to your home. The cleaning is done. Now we let you back into your home and territory. Go over there. Go.